Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you an experience of what it's like to go grocery shopping with the Buzzaround LX by Golden Technologies. Comes with a 1-year repair contract for in-home service. So if you do have a warranty approved claim within the first year, call us up. We'll get a technician dispatched to your home. You don't have to go anywhere. It's super easy. Now, before I get started, I do want to say if you want a copy of our free product catalog, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 2 weeks tops. You could just call our non-commissioned sales experts too, give them your mailing address, and they'll process the request for you. Or it's even easier if you just click right there where it says get free catalog. It'll take you to the form, fill it out, you'll get one in 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk to you about this thing a little bit. We'll throw the specifications on the screen for about 5 seconds too, so that you can pause and go back at any time. Now the Buzzaround LX, what makes it special is that it can break down into 6 lightweight pieces and it can support up to 375 pounds. So it can handle the grass, it can handle gravel. It's got a powerful motor, big tires, full suspension on the front and the rear, plenty of foot space. The 3-wheel model has more foot space because it doesn't have those wheel wells in the front like the 4-wheel version does. But the 4-wheel version is a little bit more stable on uneven terrain. The 3-wheel version will turn a lot sharper. So make sure, I do want to tell you, stay tuned to the end of this video. We're going to show you something pretty awesome, and you're going to learn how you could win a free mobility scooter, and you're not going to want to miss out on that. So stay tuned to the end, and let us know what you think about the video. If you have any questions, put them as a comment below. We reply to every single comment within 1 business day. So without further ado, we're going to go get some goodies at Fresh Market. Stay tuned.
Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. You wanna get out but you're stuck in the house, can't really walk and you need to get around. Well, come on down to Mobility Direct, they get you in the scooter, it'll only take a sec. You're dealing with the best, got prices for less. The park or the beach, we put the scooters to the test. And our mobility scooters ride all day long. That's because they run on Dakota lithium. Man, come on, we could go for miles and miles. So much battery power, right for hours and hours.
Oh, we did it. I got some flowers for the wife, happy life. Got some little munchies here, some spicy almonds. Got a big old pack of water, all made possible with the Buzzaround LX. Now, if you want to watch a full in-depth review video, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. It's coming out very soon. You're going to learn all about it. We even have a separate video where we take you fishing on this thing. We have an unboxing and assembly video in case you're wondering what that's like. We've got tons of videos on our YouTube channel, more content than any other mobility dealer on YouTube. So check it out. And like I said, if you stay tuned to the end, we're going to tell you about our giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway to win a free mobility scooter, we give one away once a month to a random subscriber. So subscribe to the Mobility Direct YouTube channel. Check out our other channel, Mobility Scooter Sales, because we're doing giveaways on that channel too. So if you subscribe to both, double your chances of winning free stuff, guys. And you're getting access to awesome content. Anyways, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about our products or you want to learn more about them, give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. We are giving some awesome discounts for the holidays and year-round. Tax-free sales, free shipping, veteran discounts, you name it. Thanks again, everybody. Until next time, have a great day.
Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best. Mobility Direct, get stability, it'll only take a sec. Why deal with all that stress? There's no competition when you're dealing with the best.